I actually can't get over the deliciousness of this. No tomato. That watermelon, it just adds this delightfulness that's so good. Check that out. Oh, it has it all. It has the sweet, the freshness, the spice. As soon as you bite in, a wave of amazingness hits you. This is so good. Watermelon, pineapple, pico. So what I have in here is watermelon and pineapple, and I let these coffee filters soak up all that moisture before we get started. And we're gonna make a little pico out of it. Some onion and cilantro. Just gonna go with my normal Fab 5, some salt, pepper, cumin, paprika, and all this red pepper flake, but I have some chili powder, so I'll just give it a couple pops of that. And some lime juice. Let's go ahead and use a whole one. The old taste-a-roni time. Let's get a little taste of everything on there. Perfect. Wow. Bursting with summer flavor. This is incredible. It tastes garden fresh. It's got the spice. It's got it all. You should definitely try it for your game day. Go Texans.